Hello everyone. So in today's class I will be singing a notation in the Bhairavi Raga. The Bhairavi Raga, as I have said in the video, contains many minor notes. The Re, the Ga, the Dha and the Ni. All these are minor notes. Or the Re, the Mi, the La and the Ti. These are the minor notes there. Now amongst all the ragas, Bhairavi contains the most number of minor notes. No other raga in the system contains as many minor notes as Bhairavi. So basically this is a very soft and sweet sounding raga, and this can be sung at any part of the day for its sweetness and for containing so many minor notes. Now the thing is that the notation that I have sung in the video, it is sung in the Dadra rhythm or the Dadra tal, which goes like Dha, Dhi, Na, Ti, Na. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 means total 6 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 pattern. Like Dha, Dhi, Na, beat, Na, Ti, Na, offbeat. The plus sign that I have given is standing for the beat, like the Dha, Dhi, Na part, and the offbeat part, Na, Ti, Na, that one goes as 0 marked above. Now there is one more thing that I need to say. Wherever in the notation I have given an S sign or the 0 sign, actually that goes for the note that is preceding the 0 or the S. That is to be stretched. That is to be stretched on and continued wherever there is the 0 sign until the next note comes in. And another thing is that I have written in some notes below Ma and below Ga, like Ma, Ga. This is how I have sung it in the notation. Now below you will see that I have mentioned the exact notes that have been used in the S part or in the stretch part that we are actually not pronouncing. We are actually just stretching it as Ma, Ga. We are not pronouncing what notes are being used. We are just stretching it on, but I have actually mentioned the actual notes that are there in the part which have not been pronounced. Okay? But they are just for keeping it in the mind that what notes are being used, they are not to be pronounced. So that was like a lot into the introduction part, but actually this was important and I could not jump into the video without saying this. So let's get into the lesson now. Thank you. So today I will be singing a notation on Bhairavi Raga, and this raga has many minor notes in it. I am introducing it here. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, Okay, so let's go into the notation now. Ni sa ga ma pa da pa, pa da pa ni dha pa ma, pa ma, pa ni dha ma dha pa, ga pa ma, sa sa re ga ma, ga re sa. Ni sa ga ma pa da pa, pa dha pa ni dha pa ma, pa ma, pa ni dha ma dha pa, ga pa ma, sa sa re ga ma, ga re sa. Ni sa ga ma pa da pa. Dha pa ma dha pa ni ga pa dha ni ma da re ni sa pa da ni sa ni ga re नि सा पा नि धा पा धा नि सा रे नि सा ग प म ग प सा धा म नि धा प सा नि धा प ध ग रे सा ग सा रे सा नि सा पा नि धा प ध नि सा रे नि सा ग प म ग प सा धा म नि धा प सा नि धा प ध ग रे सा पा नि ग प सा नि पा नि म ध रे सा ध सा नि प ध नि ग रे सा सा प ध नि प ग म ध प सा रे ग म ग रे सा सा प ध नि प ग म ध प ध प ग म प ध सा नि प ध नि सा ग रे सा नि ध प म ग रे सा नि सा ग म प ध प प ध प नि ध प म प म प नि ध म ध प ग प म सा सा रे ग म ग रे सा नि सा ग